Welcome back. This video is for the Project 3 video. And for the Project 3 video, we're going to focus on using images that are simple. And so we're going to use images that are skies. So for this assignment, I want you to go to Unsplash and search for a sky image and try to find images that have just 2 or 3 colors in them, because those are going to work the best for the tools that we're going to use to apply the effects with. So I'm going to go back to Photoshop Express. I have a sky image that I selected. Okay, so on this assignment, there's an option called the duotone, and once again leave the looks option on the far left selected, and then scroll to the right, and it's called duotone, meaning it two-tone. And that's why I wanted you to select an image that had just a few colors in it. And so once you select the duotone option, you can see there's just a large number of tints, colors that you can select from to use to apply to this image. And the nice thing about this Photoshop Express is you can quickly select one, and then there is an adjustment once you select it that you can use, and when you slide it to the left, it's going to increase the white or the light image colors, and when you slide it to the right, it's going to increase the dark image colors that you've applied. So like I said, there's various tints that you can use, colors, so do scroll through those and look and see which one you'd like to apply. I'll go ahead and select one of the green tint. And you can see just what a really pretty colors that even the tints apply versus the color. So the tints is more subtle. There's a red tint. So once again, select a sky and then go to duotone, and then select one of the many options that you have. And then once you're done that, if you go up here and click the back arrow, it'll come up and ask you if you want to save before exiting, and go ahead and select save. And then go ahead and click that back button, and then select your picture again, because I want you to take this same picture again, and then keep the look option selected, and then I want you to, of your choice, select one of these other. So there's, free, charm, white balance, black and white, portrait, nature, splash. The duotone that we use, I believe, is the last option. So if you go to, just like under the splash option, once again, various colors that you can apply. The same thing with nature, just different tints of colors. There's a portrait, black and white. And you do have to be patient when you click in between these. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for them to load. So I'm going to come down here, and I'm just going to select this pinhole. Kind of a dark, ominous looking color. Once again, you can even use your slider to select it, and I can even make it a little bit darker. And then once again, if you hit that back button, it's going to give you the option to save. Okay, then at this point, I've got my original and then the two images that I completed, and I want you to select one of your two images that you created. So I'm going to go with this one, and then go to your files, rename that that file project 3. Here's that. So I'm just going to rename that project 3. So like I said, do 2, do 3, as many as you want, but just pick one to turn in. And then make sure that you remember to go to Blackboard and browse and attach this image under the project 3 assignment link. So have fun selecting your image and then applying the different options to that image.